Good day, everyone. And I am Angela May Obias from B Agent 3D. So I am from Group 6. So the topic that assigned to me is promoting collaborative and transformative learning in cyberspace. So now we will discuss the examples and importance of promoting collaborative and transformative learning in cyberspace. So what are the examples of promoting collaborative and transformative learning in cyberspace? So, first, we have online group projects. Second is virtual discussion forums. Third is online simulation. Fourth is webinars and online workshops. And lastly is social media platforms. So, first, we have online group projects. So, in the digital age, promoting collaborative and transformative learning in cyberspace has become increasingly important. So, one example of this is online group projects where students work together to solve problems and complete tasks. So, also, this is not only fosters collaboration but also allows for the sharing of diverse perspective and ideas. So, in group projects, so they having collaboration which is they they will discuss or they are sharing their thoughts and ideas about the topic that given to them or assigned to them. So next is second is virtual discussion forums where students can engage in meaningful conversation about course materials and share their insight with one another. So this encourages critical thinking and deepest understanding of the subject matter. So in virtual discussion, by from the word discussion, they can develop or improve their critical thinking critical thinking in the topic that assigned to them. So third is online simulation can provide immersive learning experience that encourage collaboration and creativity. So in online simulation, is also a powerful tool to promoting collaborative learning in cyberspace. So by immersing students in realistic scenarios, they can also apply their knowledge in a practical setting and work together to find a solution. So next, the fourth is webinars and online workshops. So allow for interactive learning experience that promote collaboration and knowledge sharing. So in webinars, this is are another effective way to promote collaborative learning in cyberspace. So why? Because in these interactive sessions allow for real-time engagement with instructors and peers, fostering a sense of community and shared learning experience. So also and webinars allow for also sharing the ideas of some people that they have experience about the something that connected into the subject matter of the students. So next is lastly or the fifth examples of promoting collaborative learning in cyberspace is social media platforms. So, offer opportunities for students to connect with experts in their field and share ideas with a wider or audience. So, social media platforms can be used to promote collaborative learning by creating um, virtual study groups or sharing resources and information that related to course material. So, by leveraging these tools effectively, as a future educators can create a dynamic online learning environment that promotes collaboration, critical thinking, and transformative learning experience. So, next is importance of promoting collaborative and transformative learning in cyberspace. So first, we have collaborative learning allows students to work together, share ideas, and learn from each other's perspective. So this is the one of the main importance of promoting collaborative and transformative learning cyberspace, because collaborative learning students learn how to interact with other people, and they can also share their ideas to one another, and also um also can So, this is not only enhances their understanding, but also fosters critical thinking and problem solving skills by engaging in discussions and group projects online. Students can learn from diverse perspectives and develop empathy towards others. So, next importance is transformative learning encourages students to think critically, question assumption, and challenge their belief. So why this is in the importance of collaborative learning and transformative learning in cyberspace. So because transformative learning in cyberspace encourage individuals to think critically and about the information they encounter online. So by questioning assumption, challenging beliefs, and reflecting on their own biases, learners can expand their worldview and develop a deeper understanding of complex issue. So students will learn critically, encourage students to think critically about the world around them, and challenge their preconceived notions by engaging with diverse perspective and new ideas. So, students can also broaden their understanding of complex issues and develop a more well-rounded worldview. So, the last importance is promoting collaborative and transformative learning in cyberspace can help bridge the gap between traditional classroom learning and online education. So, promoting collaborative and transformative learning in cyberspace help to prepare students for the digital age by honoring their skills, their technological skills, and digital literacy. So, in today's increasingly interconnected world, it is essential for students to become comfortable on how they navigating online platforms and utilizing digital tools effectively. So, um, by taking ownership of their learning process and engaging with materials in a meaningful way, students are better equipped to success academically and professionally. And also learning in cyberspace is it is essentials for cultivating critical thinking, these skills, and embracing diversity of thoughts, enhancing literacy, and also empowering students to take control of their own education. So that's all of my report. Thank you po.